Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer social calendars to Buffer for consistent SEO signals. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your social calendar information. Identify the platforms you use for your social media scheduling. Make a list of key events, promotions, or content pieces from your calendar. Visit the Buffer website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Buffer dashboard. Choose the social media accounts you want to connect. Click on to connect a new account and follow the prompts to link your profiles. After connecting your accounts, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the option for scheduling posts. Start inputting the key events from your social calendar into Buffer. For each event, craft a concise and engaging post. Include relevant hashtags that align with your SEO goals. Select the appropriate date and time for each scheduled post. Consider your audience's online behavior when determining these timings. Buffer allows you to customize posts for each platform. Tailor the content according to the specific platform's requirements. Review and double-check all scheduled posts for accuracy. After scheduling, monitor the performance of your posts consistently. Analyze the engagement data provided by Buffer's analytics tools. Adjust future posts based on this data to improve SEO signals. Repeat this process regularly to maintain a consistent online presence. Over time, you will build stronger SEO signals through consistency and engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.